Hi, Life Fasters. This is Matt with Lifeomic. I just wanted to create a video today to show you guys how to walk through some of the new feed features we have. We really added a lot of functionality for everyone. So first of all, what you'll notice is there's a blue section at the top for announcements and private posts. Private posts are just that. It's you posting directly to another individual that you know in the app. Announcements are for circle owners to be able to send something out to their circle that they want to show up at the top that might be a little bit more important or things like that. So you can toggle between the two pretty easily, or you can just kind of swipe this up and get rid of that if you want. So when we talk about posting a new feed item, so if you look at the top right, there's a pencil and paper there. If I tap on that, this brings me into the new post section of the app. So all of this stuff is brand new. It's really cool. And there's a lot of different variety on what you can do here. So this is kind of home base for any new post. So it can be as simple as just posting something to the feed, just like you might do on other social media apps. But this is also where you're going to be able to control whether you want something to show up as an announcement, whether you want to send a private post to an individual, or again, whether you just want it to kind of show up generally. So we default to a public post. So if you don't want to try and mess with anything else, you can just write something in here and it'll just show up in the feed to anyone that has a connection with you in the app. You can do emojis, you can do all the things you might normally do. In this instance, I'm going to add a picture. So I can pick one from my photo library, or you can take a picture in real time. I'm just going to tell everyone good morning, show them a picture of my coffee mug this morning on this cold morning. So if you just want to post that out for people to see it, all you got to do is hit send, and that'll post it out. You also have the option to tag people if you have friends, particular friends you want to see on this. So if I want to tag my friend Jason, I can do that, and he'll show up as tagged. If you want to be a little bit more specific in how people see this post, I can select a specific circle that I want to see this. So that's pretty cool if you have something very particular that you want to show up in the feed for a certain circle. You can just tag or you can add one of those circles to the post. Something else you'll notice is that shows up now is with this circle, I'm the owner of that beta testing circle, so I have the option here at the bottom with that checkbox to make that an announcement or not. And so if it's something really important that I want to call attention to for everyone that's in my circle, that'll show up in that top blue section, I can just check that box and that'll kind of promote this post to the top. In this case, I don't really want to do that, and I don't really care if it goes to that circle, so I'm going to X both of those out. And now it's just as easy as hitting the post. So when I'm done with that post, I would just hit send at the top. I'm just going to cancel it out now because I've already posted it once. And it shows up just like this in the feed. And so it's a normal post at this point. People can see my coffee mug and see what I'm saying. So hopefully that helps a little bit on how to use the new posting and social features within our app. We really think everyone will like it. Have a good day.